think you can hear the sound, this squealing or moaning sound, whatever you call it. Now I'm gonna turn the steering wheel to the right first, then to the left completely, so you can hear the noise clearly. Then I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner, and you can see the compressor moving. During the sound you just have heard, the steering wheel is really much heavier than it should be. Now I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner. Okay, that's that for now. Thank you.